Hi, ako po si Jim Paredes. Malamang nabalitaan nyo na tinawag ko ng mga taga Mindanao na mga taong bundok. Fake news po yun mga kaibigan na lumabas sa isang Facebook account na supposedly owned by Jim Paredes pero hindi totoo yun. Meron akong sariling Facebook account. Why would I say that about Mindanao when my own mother is from Mindanao? I have friends and relatives in Mindanao. Apo toured Mindanao extensively. Pati Marawi, nag-perform ako doon. And I have fond memories of Mindanao. Very fond memories. Ginagawa nila ito mga kaibigan para masiraan at matahimik ang mga kritiko. Huwag po tayo maniwala doon. I would like to say that I'm a pro-democracy person. Dati pa, matagal na. And in a democracy, naniniwala ako that there's room for opposition, there's room for discussion, there's room for criticism, and there's also room for compromise. Pero for us to come into some sort of conclusion, dapat hindi na tayo magsinungaling, huwag tayo mag-invento ng facts. We should be fact-based. Yun lang ang importante. Maraming problema ang ating bansa. The order of the day is Marawi. While helping the people of Marawi, we can discuss this honestly and with the right facts at walang invento, walang sinungaling, walang guni-guni. Yun lang po ang gusto kong sabihin mga kaibigan. At maraming salamat po.